Hi guys, this is Heather. I just wanted to do a little video and show you the art space that I've set up in this new house that we bought last year. I had originally set up in the parlor, but much to my dismay is very dark because it's north facing. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough and show you the space that I've set up. So first area is the drawing and flat surface area. As you can see there, I've got my ink set up on the side, trying to maximize the space. This space is great because I can see out the windows, as I've discovered that I'm actually a plant. I need lots of light. Utilizing the wall space, I've set shelves up and tried to keep to a gardening theme. I've used a IKEA frame shelf. Hopefully I'll be able to go back to IKEA and get another one to finish that little shelf. I'm hoping somewhere up here to put plants to hang down to continue that garden theme. I've set up no flicker lights that are also dimmable on my Google Home setup. And in the drawers, I have all my drawing supplies such as watercolors and my acrylics as well, because I find that I tend to sit over here so I can look out this window. Hopefully this spring we'll have 50 or so bulbs, tulip bulbs come up. My planting area, right now I'm working on something for a class, and it gets a little chilly. I'll explain what this stuff is here in a sec. We move over to the painting area, which I'm hoping someday to put this easel on the wall to free up this floor space. My awesome little oil painting cart that has all of my supplies. I love carts because you can move them all over the studio. It's metal, so magnets stick to it. And then this cool little cart has all these drawers. I think I bought that at Home Depot. That has an expandable table side that rolls out. But, word of warning, it comes with really terrible wheels, even though it's movable. So I bought some heavy duty wheels to go on that move in all directions to go on the bottom, and just changed them out myself. It was very easy. And then drawing boards stacked up there. I share the space with my laundry. Now, the only reason why I can use this space is because I have that all-in-one washer dryer set up. And to hide it, I have my IKEA shelves full of boxes for packing prints and whatnot, my product shelves, medium shelves, and more boxes, as I like to make letter sets. And then underneath those awesome underbed baskets, I have actually put felt on the bottom to preserve the floor, and they slide out really easy. My waste paper box from my cutting board, because our local community, what are they? They're a community service that donates food stuffs to the food pantry and whatnot. They collect recycling, which is awesome. Like all recycling, everything. They take everything. So that's wonderful. Better than when we were in Washington. My awesome cutting board and my area where I make my letter sets. Some of you who come to my shop know that I like to make letter writing sets, complete with all these awesome, I'll show you these. See if I can do it one-handed. Wax seals. I have a whole bunch. So, yeah, Those are fun. I love making wax seal and letter stamps. So another cutter. That drawer is full of office supplies. My packing station full of all the things I need to send out my prints and whatnot. Several bins full of projects to be done. I don't know if they'll ever be done, but we'll see. A guitar I need to paint for my son till I figure out what he wants on his guitar. It will stay right there. My stay flats, which are awesome. If you're wanting to send out small flat things that you don't want to be bent, they can actually be sent as an additional stamp letter. And then my shelves full of these are all my envelopes for my greeting card business. And then this was the best way we could figure out to put these lights over this desk, as this is a 130-year-old house, so the electricity is limited. So then these are all smart bulbs and whatnot. So it's all connected to my Google Home. And then the desk that my partner and I made, which is an awesome little desk. And then we have our cart full of equipment. I love carts because you can move them all over. I could actually move this whole setup, kind of like when I was a teacher, and you go to the electronics area and grab the multimedia station and drag it to your classroom. Well, here we go. So I made one at home. But yeah, that's it. That's my little setup. It's better than being in the parlor because it was so dark. Oh, I was going to explain this. Okay, behind this is a really old door. And the door is terrible. And it had a deck on the other side of that door that was dilapidated, and we had to remove it. So you can't really use the door, even though there is a cement step out there. It's kind of dangerous. So we have plans to replace that door. And it happens to be an old house, so it's, of course, not a standard size door. So we're going to have to get the door made, which takes money. And we're a little broke right now. So that's going to have to wait. But that blanket helps control the air coming in around the door. And because this is an additional added on later room, they did not do well sealing the wall, I guess, between the inside and outside wall. So air comes in under that baseboard. Like I said, they were going to use it as a laundry room, I guess, and just didn't really pay much attention to it. So I'm going to have to go through with quarter round and caulking to seal up this room. But yeah, guys, other than that, it's got lots of light. It's going to look out on some awesome flowers and be absolutely gorgeous in the spring, and I can't wait. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to bring more videos soon. I had to add this. Does anybody else in Missouri hate these little bugs that get in your house? I don't even know how they're getting in, but they get in. I believe it is an alder beetle. I can't remember. Elm bug. I'm going to have to look it up again, but man, they are annoying. They get everywhere. Anyway, that's it for this channel. Have a great week. Bye.